Hi again, this is Todd with Tech Inspection Services. Today we're discussing air quality testing and reporting. The what, the reasons, and the how. So what is it that we're talking about when we talk about air quality? Well, we're talking about measuring potential contaminants, air pollutants, and/or hazards that may be found in the air that we breathe. And what is the reason for the air quality testing? Well, of course, to determine the existing problems and then to develop a plan with solutions. And how do we do air quality testing? We're going to show you the methods that we use for measuring the machine, inspecting, and reporting. So why should you request an air quality test? Well, first and foremost, for your pulmonary health, right? How and why do pulmonary functions factor in, you might ask? Well, good clean air is better for your lung function and your overall health. Let's talk about the air in Florida. There are many wonderful things that Florida is known for. However, it is also known to have high levels and numerous types of mold spores in the outdoor atmosphere, and therefore what people are breathing. High outdoor mold spore counts in the atmosphere are not particularly harmful, that is, until or unless they infiltrate or become trapped inside an indoor environment, where and when they can start to be recirculated through the air. Oftentimes the HVAC system or systems in the living spaces can become contaminated. That's a problem. So what's the solution? Well, in Florida, mold is a fact of life. It's an organism and a type of fungus. It's prevalent throughout the state, and as a fact of life, we need to plan for regular attention, inspections, treatment, and maintenance for mold. This is a machine that we use to measure for mold spores in the air. This is a cassette that goes with the machine that we place on top. It collects the data. In 5 minutes, we'll run this machine and there will be 75 pumps. The pumps are collecting the mold spore count in the air. We then take this cassette to a lab. The lab generates a report and then we make a report for you. But a bad air quality test could wreck my real estate deal, right? No. The way a lab reports adverse findings is to say that there are mold spores of a certain kind that are elevated. It's most common that an elevated mold spore count from a lab report would indicate the need for routine preventative maintenance and a thorough cleaning and sanitization of the HVAC system and its components, as well as recommendations for HVAC maintenance moving forward, filter selection, type, and use. It would be better to view an air quality test as a beneficial layer of security that ensures the health and safety of your valuable buyers and clients. It builds trust. So there you have a few basics about air quality testing, mold assessments, and remediation. The underlying purpose here is to ensure better breathing atmospheres and safer living environments in general. That's it for this installment, and as always, be safe, and we'll see you next time. Our thanks for watching here at Tech Inspection Services, where tech inspects.